Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Cuda Education. So today we are on step 9, GBuffer deferred shading. So this is step 9. The goal of this step is replace forward rendering with deferred rendering. Geometry writes material properties to GBuffer textures. A separate full screen pass reads them and computes lighting. This decouples geometry complexity from lighting complexity. We have two files changed in this step, APL simple.metal and APL renderer.mm. Right, so we have a GBuffer outstrut, a fragment GBuffer fill, a vertex full screen, a fragment deferred lighting, and fragment mesh shader retain, not used but kept for fallback. Okay, so and then on the APL renderer portion, we have GBuffer format constants at file scope, albedo, normal position, new IVARs, all of these variables here, create GBuffer textures with size, depth only pipeline, GBuffer fill pipeline, lighting pipeline, drawable size will change. Now recreates GBuffer textures and draw an MTK view completely restructured. We have two render passes, as we can see here. And all of these guys did not change. So again, guys, we're just doing a high-level overview of the steps. We will get into more detail in later videos, but for now, we just want to get to step all the way to the finish line to step 16, where we are, we have our full modern renderer application, and then we could dive into the details. So visual results should look identical to step 7 and 8, and it does. Basically, it's still our image here. The difference is architectural lighting is now computed per pixel from GBuffer data, not per fragment during geometry rendering. So this is a back-end processing stuff, but an important thing. Why this matters. Adding more lights, steps 11 through and 12, no longer requires re-rendering geometry, just more reads in the lighting pass. Shadows, step 10, plug into the lighting pass cleanly. AO, step 13, can modulate the GBuffer before lighting, and single pass deferred with tile shaders is a future option. Yeah, so that is step 9, GBuffer / deferred rendering. Again, as I said, guys, we're keeping this short and sweet. We'll get into more detail with a later series of videos, but for now, we just want to have a high-level overview of what's going on, and we'll get into the weeds at a later time. This is Cuda Education. Thank you for watching.